On screen, you are able to see the Masibus MC-1 model. In the last video, we have seen how to configure the local time zone offset in the MC-1 model. Now, in this video, we will explain to you how to configure the NTP1 and NTP2 port to the factory set. I mean, you can set it to default settings if you are unable to ping those outputs. Let us connect the serial cable at the back side of the GPS MC-1 model. This is the rear side of the MC-1 model where we have connected the COM2 port, and this one is the serial cable which was supplied along with the MC-1 model. That is, one side DB9 male and the other side DB9 female. So now we will go to configure the NTP1 and NTP2 port to the default factory set configurations by using a laptop. Since we have connected the serial crossover cable from the GPS Master Clock to our laptop using a USB to serial converter, now we have to open the HyperTerminal software to configure our NTP1 and NTP2 port to the factory set. Just type test, select the COM port, proceed with OK. Now, to configure the port settings, use the Restore Default button and press OK. Now, press OK. If the cursor goes down, that means the communication is established. Now type config followed by enter to enter into the configuration mode. So I will type config followed by enter. It will ask me to enter the password. Password is Masibus, M-A-S-I-B-U-S, in small letters. Alright, just type the Masibus followed by enter. Now, you need to type H for help. You need to type H for help, okay? So, it will display all the list of commands that can be used to configure the GPS Master Clock. Now, we will use this command ETH0 to set the default network settings. Okay, so now type ETH0 followed by enter. So, you are able to see the command complete message. That means both the ports NTP1 and NTP2 of MC1 model are now set to the factory set. So, both the ports are configured to default settings. Okay, now we will check with the ping command to cross-check whether our NTP1 port and NTP2 port are set to the default time in factory set IP address. These are the factory set IP addresses. So, after giving the ETH0 command, both the ports will set to 192.168.100.153. So let us cross-check with the ping command. Yes, the IP address is configured to 192.168.100.153, which is the default settings of Masibus. So, both the ports have been configured to the default settings. So, this is the way you can configure NTP1 and NTP2 port to the factory set IP address. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.